Paramshanti. Welcome to this space of stillness. Let's take a deep breath and gently enter the world of compassion, the heart of the peace. Compassion is more than sympathy. It is the deep understanding of another's pain and a desire to relieve it. Compassion doesn't see race, religion, or status. It sees the soul. It sees the human. Peace begins within, and compassion is the bridge from inner calm to outer harmony. Where there is compassion, conflict cannot grow. Compassion dissolves anger and fear. Start small. Listen without judging. Speak with kindness. Offer without expecting. Compassion is a daily practice, not something you have, but something you choose. Don't forget, compassion also means being gentle with yourself. You are growing, learning, healing. Be patient with your own journey. Imagine a world where compassion leads every action, where every hand helps, every word heals. That world begins with you, with one act, with one kind thought. May your heart be filled with compassion. May you be an instrument of peace. Param Shanti, Param Shanti, Param Shanti.
बेहद की परम शांति सोचो, बोलो परम शांति मिल जाएगी। बेहद की परम शांति सोचो, बोलो परम शांति मिल जाएगी।